Hello clothing brand owners, Kavia here from METBO Production. Today we are diving into how to request a price quotation from a garment manufacturer. Whether you are launching a new line or expanding your collection, understanding this process is crucial. Let's get started. Requesting a price quotation is a vital step in bringing your designs to life. To ensure you receive an accurate and comprehensive quote, it's essential to provide detailed information about your project. Here's what you should include. Tech pack, a detailed document outlining your design specifications, including materials, dimensions, and construction methods. This is the most effective way to communicate your requirements. Garment descriptions and images. Clear descriptions and high-quality image of the garments you wish to produce. Quantities. Specify the number of units per style and size. Fabric and material preference. Indicate any specific fabrics or materials you prefer. Target price per unit. If you have a budget, sharing this can help manufacturers tailor their quotes accordingly. Additional specifications include size chart, color options, and any special finish or features. Deadline. If you have a timeline for receiving the quotation, mention it. Finding the right manufacturer is crucial. You can start by searching online directories, attending trade shows, or seeking recommendations from industry peers. Look for manufacturers that specialize in the type of garments you want to produce and have experience with similar designs. At METBO Production, we prefer using WhatsApp for communication. It's a fast and efficient way to connect with us. When you reach out, include all the details we discussed earlier. This helps us understand your vision clearly and respond promptly. Once you contact us, we will assign a dedicated representative to assist you. This person will work closely with you to confirm all the details of your design before we start manufacturing, ensuring everything aligns with your expectations. Be clear about your expectations and open to negotiations. Manufacturers may offer different pricing based on order quantities, materials, and production timelines. It's important to discuss all costs, including shipping, packaging, and any additional fees. Negotiation is a standard part of the process. Discuss payment terms, production schedules, and quality control measures. Ensure that both parties have a clear understanding to avoid any misunderstandings. Several factors can influence the price of your garments. Garment type. Complex designs or specialized garments may cost more to produce. Fabric quality. Premium fabrics will increase the overall cost. Design complexity. Intricate designs or additional features can add to the price. Order quantity. Larger orders often result in lower per unit cost. Lead time. Shorter production times may incur additional charge. Before committing to a full production run, make samples to elevate the manufacturer's quality and adherence to your specifications. This step is crucial to ensure the final product meets your expectations. At METBO, we can make samples before bulk. Once you are satisfied with the samples, finalize the agreement. Ensure all terms are clearly outlined, including production timelines, payment schedules, and quality control measures. By following these steps, you can efficiently request a price quotation from a garment manufacturer and set the stage for a successful partnership. At METBO Production, we are here to assist you every step of the way, from design to delivery. Drop your questions below and don't forget to like, subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.